If you're currently dealing with a lot of reactive, on-demand maintenance, chances are you're struggling with high maintenance costs and increased downtime. It's time to stop wasting time with breakdowns by taking the guesswork out of maintenance. All you need is a simple preventive maintenance software that's easy to access on the go. Presenting Easy Plant Maintenance, an easy-to-use, inexpensive preventive maintenance software to help you stay ahead of the breakdowns so you save money and time. With preventive maintenance scheduling software, you can make sure you're in control of your operations, helping you achieve more uptime, less costly downtime, and best of all, less stress. No more having to call in someone for overtime to work on an asset that's unexpectedly broken down. Easy Plant Maintenance puts all the power of preventive maintenance software where you need it most, right in your back pocket with mobile integration along with desktops. All this on our fast, reliable FileMaker Clearest servers backed up by daily and full technical support and training. Easy Plant Maintenance does the heavy lifting for you with no additional monitoring equipment by tracking maintenance schedules, tracking equipment data with parts used for maintenance and delivery, and even manpower or man-hours schedules. All this comes with advanced customizable reporting. Wait no more. Call us for a demo today on municipalpalnets.com.